Hey everybody, so not too long ago I did a review on the Work Sharp Kin Onion edition, and today I have the grinder. What's cool about the grinder though is that it allows you to go from a range from 10 degrees all the way to 35. Also with the grinder, you do have wider belts. Now what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to remove this attachment. Really easy to do. And then we're going to go in with this one. Then there's going to be a little tightening wheel here. You're going to put that on there. All right, I'm going to start with a fine so I can bring the edge back on my pocket knife here. And then you're going to use this as your guide. You could also use this for tools. I'll bring it down to a 35-degree angle, and I put a coarse one on, and you could always do like an axe. Holy cow, that is the sharpest this axe has ever been. That works great for tools. And just for fun, I even did a sword. Now I feel like doing some Fruit Ninja. Anyway, it'll work even for swords. All right, so that was my quick demonstration of using the grinder attachment on the Kin Onion Work Sharp. And it is nice because you could go all the way down to the 10 degrees, which is great for those knives where you need that really sharp edge, like a Japanese knife or a carver, something like that. Now the grinder will take just a little bit more skill to use just because it doesn't have the grinder or it doesn't have the guard on it. As for the regular Kin Onion Work Sharp, it's got a guard in there that you can use to guide your knives, or not a guard, but a guide, I should say. And that allows you to do your angles quite a bit easier. Now the regular Kin Onion Work Sharp, it goes from 15 all the way up to 30. And then if you want the other ones, you do have to do the grinder. And I know there's a couple other attachments, but I haven't gotten them yet. If you're looking for easier and simplistic, keep with the original Kin Onion attachment. But if you're looking for that little extra control, being able to do a few other tools and just getting some other edges, some sharper edges, being able to go all the way up to 35 like I did with the axe. You do have your little guide here to kind of give you an idea. And if you line it up there and then bring it up to the top, and you're good. You just got to make sure you keep that same angle. It doesn't give you that guide the whole time. Anyway, that was my quick demonstration of using the grinder for the Kin Onion edition.